are here at NASA 2018. Look at this amazing CONN transitional saxophone. Guess where we found it? We found it at the National Saxophone Museum. Super cool. I mean, they have just amazing early Adolph saxophone saxes. Here's one of only 6 Mark VI C Melody saxophones. Here's a CONN sax, one of the rare CONN saxes. It's just super cool. You got to learn about the National Saxophone Museum. And here from the National Saxophone Museum is Mark Overton. Hey, Mark.
Hello, hey, how's it going?
Tell us about the National Saxophone Museum.
Yeah, so the National Saxophone Museum started off as a collection of instruments in the Sax Quest Museum, and just recently we set up a non-for-profit, and we're trying to turn the museum into a real full-fledged physical museum. The idea is to preserve the past and to keep the saxophone current in current times. So,
that's awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. And so, where do they find you online?
NationalSaxophoneMuseum.com.
Beautiful.
And you got to come to St. Louis and check it out in person.
Great.
It's a living museum, so lots of the instruments have been restored. You can bring a mouthpiece and play on these old beauties and get a taste for what those things are all about.
Awesome. All right, so check out the National Saxophone Museum at nationalsaxophonemuseum.com and learn what they're up to. And man, what beauties, what beauties. Here's an old Varitone Mark VI. Outfitted, just gorgeous stuff. And then check out how the key leaves are working on this CONN. This CONN, you can use it direct under the G sharp, primary arm of the G sharp. And then you can come down here, just arch that under that E flat. And then you get the 2 stickiest keys on your CONN, open to dry clean. What a beautiful saxophone. I don't know if you can see that engraving. Engraving everywhere on this horn. Just a beauty, beauty, beauty. Thanks to the National Saxophone Museum for sharing this horn and all their great instruments with us.